Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are having a great day so far and you have been well. It is so good to be back. I was away for a while. I was back in India, so I was not uploading videos, but now I'm back. So you will be seeing videos from me as usual. And since I was away for a while, I did not get to open my FabFitFun box. It was here when I was gone and I am so excited to open this finally. This is the FabFitFun Fall 2025 box and I really enjoyed the Summer 2025 box as well. So let's go ahead and open the FabFitFun Fall 2025 box. Before I open this box, I want to quickly mention that this is a fully customizable box and they have some amazing products, so you can totally mix and match, pick and choose and create your own customized box. And I do have two coupon codes, one for annual and one for seasonal subscription box. So if you want to get some discount on these boxes, you can use my coupon code. I will list them on the screen as well as in the description box. So let's go ahead and open the Fall 2025 FabFitFun box. I have always loved their packaging. So here is how the box interior looks like. They always have some nice artwork inside and I really like their artwork. Last time also the summer one had a nice artwork. Oh, it's so pretty. And here you have a chance to win a trip to Hyatt Sierra Riviera Maya, part of Hyatt's exclusive collection. So you can scan this QR code and enter into the giveaway. That's amazing. Okay, so I don't remember what I picked for my box. So I'm going to open this together and try to remember if I can recall anything. Okay, so here is my box and all the products are inside. I have some skincare and some lifestyle items, I think. I've just placed my box in front of me. Let's see what is the first item in the box. So I have a Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. So I have a new body lotion. It's such a pretty packaging. Look at this lavender lilac-y. I would say a mauve kind of a color. It's so pretty. What are the ingredients? It's a lightweight nutrient-infused body lotion and absorbs quickly to hydrate, nourish and moisturize. So this is the first item in the box. It's a 250 ml or 8.45 fluid ounce of product. I actually needed a new body lotion, so I'm pretty happy to have this one. Next we have, I was so excited for this and I completely forgot that I ordered this. Very interesting. I think I ordered the hair one, or did I choose the wrong product? I thought that this is the Nutrafol hair which I'm ordering, but this is Nutrafol skin. So this one is basically for people who suffer from acne. If you have a lot of acne breakouts, dark spots, you can take this supplement. It has a mix of vitamins, minerals and natural ingredients which addresses the root cause of acne breakouts, daily stress, hormonal fluctuations and other skin concerns. So this one is a Nutrafol skin which they have sent me. So this is a supplement. I think I ordered Nutrafol hair, or probably I have chosen wrongly. I'm pretty sure I have chosen wrongly. I was actually looking for the Nutrafol hair one, but I think they have Nutrafol skin. So I will check on that. But if you are into supplements, you can also order supplements through this box. And this is a pretty expensive supplement. This one from Nutrafol, at least the hair one I know, it's pretty expensive. So you can get it as a part of your box. So I think that's a great deal. Next we have this one from Bondi Boost. This is HG Heat Protectant Spray and I always forget to buy a heat protectant spray, and sometimes when I go to the store I am just so confused with all the types of heat protectants out there. I don't know which one to choose. So the fact that they had a heat protectant spray and they usually have really good products, I thought let me try out this one. So they have this as a part of their product line. So this has a plum, rosemary, pro vitamin B5. It's a heat protectant spray which is like salon level and it's manufactured in Australia with domestic and foreign components. And I am really happy to have a heat protectant spray finally in my vanity. Not that I use hair tools a lot, but a reason why I don't use hair tools a lot, because I don't have a heat protectant spray, and I'm really happy to get this in the box. Next, I have something from Steve Madden. I don't remember ordering this. What was this? I absolutely don't remember. This is from Steve Madden. Looks like a sunglasses case. They are sunglasses. Okay, that's nice. I can always use new sunglasses, and this is how they look like. Wow, these are like fancy ones. Wow, I have never had glasses which are this shape. Like, they're really cool. How do they look on me? So these are from Steve Madden. They are UV protected, 100% UV protection, and they have gold frames, and it's very sturdy. It's not like, it's pretty like solid. It's doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. Okay, so these are pretty cute. I usually wear big glasses. I think that's what I like the most. So I thought, let me try out this style. I would never go ahead and buy this, but you know, to try out in the box, it's pretty nice. I have few more products in here. This is a huge box. Okay, I don't know what is this. So this is 80thereasons.com for the lovers, for the dreamers, and all the right reasons. What is this? Was this some kind of a... I don't remember. Oh, what is this? It's a pouch here. It's some kind of a pouch. It's cute. It's opening like this. 8 Other Reasons is the brand name. Oh, wow. It's a utility pouch, I think, or a jewelry pouch. It's so pretty. Did I actually choose this? I think I chose some kind of a pouch, if I remember correctly. I did choose something like this, but I don't remember what was this for. I think it's a jewelry organizer, because I can see here these are buttons, so you can open this up. You can see here, right? And there are some holes in here, so I think these are for earrings. Okay, and this also you can open, and you can like store your necklaces, I think. So you can open this one, you can open this one. Wow, they are pretty like solid, they're not flimsy. And you can store your necklaces, jewelry, organize your stuff here. It's pretty cute. There is a flap at the bottom here too, and you have a pocket here, you have a pocket here, pocket here. And here also you have, like, you can store your probably rings or something. You can store and close. It's really nice. I actually don't remember the exact details of how like what this was, so I will definitely go back and check the product up again. But what I can see from here, it looks like a jewelry organizer, and I'm always excited about jewelry organizers, especially for travel. To carry jewelries, I always need a good one. The quality is really good actually. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel very cheap and flimsy, you know, some materials which can feel cheap. The quality is very good. Okay, then I have oh yes, I had ordered a necklace and a earring set. Yes, I remember this one. Let's see how it is. It is in a cute little pouch. It's called Adina Eden. It's a little pouch here, and there is a baguette. It's actually a baguette necklace and a baguette earring. I ordered this for my daughter because she loves baguettes, the idea of baguettes somehow. So the shape is like a baguette, but the color is emerald green. Let me open it up and show you. It's pretty dainty, and my daughter loves dainty things like this. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is a gold chain. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's really like lightweight but not flimsy. It looks very well built. I think the quality is superb. It's so pretty. So this is how the chain looks like. It's so cute. Look at this. I think it was pretty expensive. I don't remember exactly what the price was. It's so pretty. It will look so nice. It's green and gold, and the earrings are also of the same shape. Okay, it's so cute. I love FabFitFun unboxings. I don't remember half of the things, and when I open it, I realize what it is, and it's just so much fun. Okay, and I think this is the last one in the box. Yes. This is a picnic basket or a picnic bag, I think, this one. I love the color. This is such a nice color for fall. This is so cute. So this is from a brand called Modern Picnic. I love the color. Look at this. So this is more like a picnic basket or a picnic bag or a beach bag. You can use it any way you want. I really wanted something which was this size, like a little bit smaller. It's not too big. So you can see it's a little smaller. Sometimes it happens that we are going to the beach or we are going somewhere nearby. Just outside we have the Gantry State Park nearby. We are going to Central Park. We don't want to carry too many things. We just want like a cute little small bag to carry a few things. So for that, it's really handy. It has happened a few times that I wanted a smaller bag to carry and we didn't have one. We have a big picnic basket. So I thought this will be a good one to have it handy at home. So this is a cute small little bag. It has a pouch inside, like a big pouch. It is all waterproof. It's a all-weather kind of a bag, and there is a button on the top, button closure. It's nice and closed. It's secure. There are some compartments or pouches here, one in the front as well, one here as well. So it's a nice cute little small little going out bag, and I really like the color. It's so pretty. We don't have anything which is similar to this, so that's why I chose this as part of my box. And that ends my FabFitFun unboxing. The box is empty. Those are all the products I had chosen. I am very excited to try all of these products. If you are also interested in buying the FabFitFun fall box, then I will have all the details in the description box. If you want to use my coupon code, then feel free to use it. Please do note that I do make a small commission if you use my coupon code. And yeah, it was so much fun opening the FabFitFun Fall 2025 box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be uploading a lot more videos, so stay tuned, and I will see you again really soon in my next one. Bye.